In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to have multiple Microsoft Teams windows. If you use Microsoft Teams on your desktop and you often need to keep one conversation visible while working in another area of the app, opening a separate window can make things much easier. It helps you multitask, follow chats more comfortably, and avoid constantly clicking back and forth between sections. To get started, open the Microsoft Teams desktop app on your computer. Make sure you're working inside the desktop version, since that's where this feature is easiest to use in a smooth app-like way. Once Teams is open, you'll be on the main interface where you can move between your activity, chats, Teams, calendar, and other sections. From there, go to chat or open the conversation you want to separate into its own window. This can be useful if you want to keep an important message thread visible while you continue working elsewhere in Teams. For example, you might want one window dedicated to a specific person or group chat, while your main Teams window stays available for everything else. After you've opened the conversation, look to the top right corner of that chat. You'll see the three dots, which open the More Options menu. This menu contains extra actions for that conversation, so if you don't immediately notice it, just take a moment to scan the upper right area of the chat panel. Click the three dots, and then select Open in a new window. As soon as you do that, Teams will pop that conversation out into a separate window. This lets you move it around your screen, resize it, or place it beside your main Teams app so you can view both at the same time. This is especially helpful if you're responding to one conversation while checking another channel, attending to tasks in your calendar, or reviewing files without losing sight of your chat. It's a simple feature, but it can really improve the way you work, especially if you're handling several conversations throughout the day. If you want to repeat the process, just go into another chat, click the three dots again, and choose Open in a new window for that conversation as well. That way, you can have multiple Teams windows open at once, depending on what you need to manage. And that's it. That's how to have multiple Microsoft Teams windows using the desktop app. Once you start using this feature, it can make Teams feel much more flexible and organized during your workday.